Hey everyone, this is a video of our OpenAI hackathon demo. This project consists of the Whisper, GPT-3, and Codex APIs. The goal of the project was to transcribe audio using Whisper, then return that text as a Python script, and lastly, use Codex to translate that Python script into another programming language. The backend is made using Python and Flask for the API, and the front end is Next.js with TypeScript. We had originally wanted to use the Whisper with a mic repository to allow the user to input audio from the browser, but with the time deadline we opted for a simple audio file upload. In the future, we will include the option for audio input and audio files. When you upload the file, and hit the button to submit the audio file, a API request is sent out which passes the audio file's contents as text through the APIs to generate the results. We haven't gathered the returns to produce them on the front end, but here's the JSON return as an example. Now that we have all three APIs chained together, and also set them each up individually, we can pursue building different projects more easily. In the end, the hackathon was a great experience. We learned a lot and found out what we can focus on learning to help out in the future. Many thanks to everyone who hosted the hackathon and the community they provided. Speechify